Hi, I'm John Michael from Strongpreneur TV. In this video I share with you a very powerful and useful methods that allows you 4 steps to launching your first affiliate marketing program. By the way, if you are new to this channel, we share tips, techniques and strategies that help online businesses, entrepreneurs, business owners and marketers to create and market both their online and offline business like a pro. So, if you are already an online business creator or you are an entrepreneur, business owner, marketer or you're planning to be one, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, let's get started and learn 4 steps to launching your first affiliate marketing program. Let me show you how you can achieve this step by step without wasting much of our time. 4 steps to launching your first affiliate marketing program. Are you looking for a new way to promote your products or services? Have you considered launching an affiliate marketing program? In this video, we'll show you how to launch your first affiliate marketing program in 4 easy steps. First, we'll show you how to choose the right affiliate marketing platform for your program. We'll walk you through the different fees, features, and ease of use considerations you should take into account when selecting a platform. Next, we'll help you develop an effective affiliate marketing strategy. We'll cover the key components of a successful program, including goals, commission structure, promotional materials, affiliate types, and program terms and conditions. Then we'll show you how to recruit affiliates to your program. We'll provide tips on how to find potential affiliates on social media, online forums, networking events, and affiliate marketing platforms. Finally, we'll help you monitor and optimize your program for maximum success. We'll show you how to analyze data, adjust your commission structure, provide support to your affiliates, test and refine your promotional materials, and stay up to date with the latest industry trends and best practices. So, whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, launching your first affiliate marketing program is easier than you might think. Follow these 4 steps and you'll be on your way to a successful program in no time. Launching an affiliate marketing program can be an effective way to promote your products or services, expand your customer base, and increase your revenue. Here are 4 steps to launching your first affiliate marketing program. Step 1. Choose an affiliate marketing platform. The first step is to choose an affiliate marketing platform that meets your needs. There are many different platforms to choose from, such as ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing. Consider factors like fees, features, and ease of use when selecting a platform. Choosing the right affiliate marketing platform is crucial to the success of your program. There are many different platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here are some factors to consider when selecting a platform. Number 1. Fees. Most affiliate marketing platforms charge a fee for using their service. These fees can be structured in different ways, such as a percentage of sales or a flat monthly fee. Consider the cost of each platform and how it fits into your budget. Number 2. Features. Look for a platform that offers the features you need to run your program effectively. Some common features include tracking and reporting tools, commission management, and promotional material creation. Number 3. Ease of use. Choose a platform that is easy to use and navigate. This will make it easier for you to manage your program and for your affiliates to promote your products or services. Number 4. Customer support. Make sure the platform you choose offers good customer support. You may need assistance with technical issues or have questions about how to use the platform. Once you have selected a platform, you will need to set up your account and create your program. This involves defining your commission structure, promotional materials, and program terms and conditions. Step 2. Develop an affiliate marketing strategy. Once you have selected a platform, you need to develop an affiliate marketing strategy. Define your goals, commission structure, and promotional materials that affiliates can use to market your products or services. You should also determine the types of affiliates you want to work with, such as bloggers, influencers, or content creators. Developing a clear and effective affiliate marketing strategy is essential to the success of your program. Here are some key components to consider. Number 1. Goals. What do you hope to achieve with your affiliate marketing program? This could include increasing sales, expanding your customer base, or building brand awareness. Number 2. Commission structure. Decide how much you will pay your affiliates for each sale or lead they generate. This could be a percentage of the sale price, a flat fee, or a combination of both. Make sure your commission structure is competitive and attractive to potential affiliates. Number 3. Promotional materials. Provide your affiliates with high-quality promotional materials, such as banner ads, text links, and product images. These materials should be designed to convert visitors into customers and should be consistent with your brand's messaging and image. Number 4. Affiliate types. Determine the types of affiliates you want to work with. This could include bloggers, influencers, content creators, or other types of publishers. Each type of affiliate has its own strengths and weaknesses, so consider which types will be most effective for your program. Number 5. Terms and conditions. Define the terms and conditions of your program, including how commissions are calculated, how often payouts are made, and any restrictions on promotional activities. Step 3. Recruit affiliates. The next step is to recruit affiliates to your program. You can find potential affiliates through social media, online forums, and networking events. You can also leverage the affiliate marketing platform you selected to find and recruit affiliates. When recruiting affiliates, be clear about your commission structure and provide them with promotional materials to help them market your products or services effectively. Once you have developed your affiliate marketing strategy, it's time to start recruiting affiliates to your program. Here are some tips to help you find and attract potential affiliates. Number 1. Social media. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to reach out to potential affiliates. Look for users who are active in your industry or who have large followings. Number 2. Online forums. Participate in online forums related to your industry and look for potential affiliates there. Be sure to follow the forum's rules and avoid spamming or self-promotion. Number 3. Networking events. Attend networking events and conferences related to your industry to meet potential affiliates in person. Be prepared to explain your program and offer incentives for affiliates to join. Number 4. Affiliate marketing platforms. Use the affiliate marketing platform you selected to find and recruit affiliates. Many platforms have built-in tools for finding and contacting potential affiliates. When recruiting affiliates, be clear about your commission structure and the benefits of joining your program. Provide potential affiliates with high-quality promotional materials and be responsive to any questions or concerns they may have. Step 4. Monitor and optimize your program. After launching your program, it's important to monitor and optimize it regularly. Keep track of your affiliates' performance, identify top-performing affiliates, and optimize your commission structure and promotional materials to improve the program's overall performance. You can also use data analytics to track the success of your program and identify areas for improvement. Once your program is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Here are some ways to optimize your program. Number 1. Monitor performance. Keep track of your affiliates' performance using the tracking and reporting tools provided by your affiliate marketing platform. Identify top-performing affiliates and those who may need more support or incentives. Number 2. Optimize commission structure. Adjust your commission structure as needed to incentivize top-performing affiliates and attract new ones. Consider offering higher commissions for certain products or promotions. Number 3. Provide support. Offer support and guidance to your affiliates as needed. This could include helping them optimize their promotional materials or providing them with additional resources or incentives. Number 4. Test and refine promotional materials. Continuously test and refine your promotional materials to improve their effectiveness. This could involve testing different ad copy, images, or calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Number 5. Analyze data. Use data analytics to track the success of your program and identify areas for improvement. Look for trends and patterns in your affiliates' performance, such as which products or promotions are most effective. Number 6. Stay up to date. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing. Attend industry events, read industry blogs and publications, and stay connected with other affiliate marketers to stay ahead of the curve. In summary, launching an affiliate marketing program requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing optimization. Choose the right platform, develop a clear and effective strategy, recruit top-performing affiliates, and monitor and optimize your program to achieve the best results. With the right approach, an affiliate marketing program can be a highly effective way to promote your products or services, grow your customer base, and increase your revenue. Thank you for watching our video on how to launch your first affiliate marketing program. We hope you found these 4 steps helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content on marketing, business, and entrepreneurship. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.